Securing Your Website with AWS ALB, a guide to HTTP to HTTPS redirection. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. In today's digital landscape, ensuring your website security and enhancing its Google ranking are top priorities. One of the most effective ways to achieve both is using HTTPS instead of HTTP. Transitioning from HTTP to HTTPS protects your users' data and boosts your SEO. In this podcast, we'll explore leveraging AWS application load balancers, ALBs, for secure and efficient traffic management, with a detailed step-by-step tutorial on configuring your ALB for automatic HTTP to HTTPS redirection. Why HTTPS is crucial for your website security and Google ranking. HTTPS, or Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, encrypts the data exchange between your website and its users, protecting sensitive information from cyber threats. Google also prioritizes HTTPS websites in search rankings, making them critical for visibility and trust. The shift to HTTPS is no longer optional but necessary for websites that maintain a solid online presence and secure user data. Leveraging AWS application load balancers for secure and efficient traffic management. AWS application load balancers, ALBs, are a powerful tool for managing incoming traffic and ensuring that users are directed to the appropriate resources securely and efficiently. By using ALBs, you can easily set up automatic HTTP to HTTPS redirection, ensuring that all traffic is encrypted without requiring changes to your application code. How ALB listener rules and redirect actions work, the technical foundation. Listener rules in an ALB define how incoming traffic is handled based on specified conditions. Redirect actions allow you to direct traffic from HTTP to HTTPS seamlessly. When a request meets the conditions of a rule, the ALB triggers the redirect action, ensuring that users are always redirected to the secure version of your site. Step-by-step tutorial, configuring your ALB for automatic HTTP to HTTPS redirection. Setting up your load balancer. Launch the ALB. Start by navigating to the EC2 dashboard in the AWS Management Console and selecting Load Balancers under the Load Balancing section. Choose Create Load Balancer and select Application Load Balancer. Configure Load Balancer, name your ALB, choose the appropriate scheme, internet-facing for public websites, and select the VPC and subnets. Ensure that you assign a security group that allows HTTPS traffic. Creating and managing target groups. Create target group. Define your target group, containing the instances or containers that will receive traffic. Choose the appropriate protocol, HTTP or HTTPS, and port, then register your instances. Health checks. Configure health checks to ensure your instances are healthy and able to serve traffic. This step is crucial for maintaining high availability and performance. Adding your website's targets. Register targets. Register the instances or containers that will serve your website after creating the target group. You can do this during the target group creation or by editing an existing group. Implementing HTTPS and redirection listeners. Create HTTPS listener. On your ALB, create a listener that listens on port 443. HTTPS. Attach an SSL certificate to secure your traffic. Create HTTP listener and redirect. Add another listener on port 80, HTTP, and set up a rule to redirect all HTTP requests to HTTPS. Verifying your HTTPS redirect, ensuring a seamless user experience. Test redirection. Access your website using both HTTP and HTTPS URLs. Verify that HTTP requests are automatically redirected to HTTPS, ensuring all traffic is secured. Optimizing your redirect for SEO, best practices and tips. 301 Redirects. Use 301 redirects for HTTP to HTTPS redirection to signal search engines that the change is permanent, preserving your SEO rankings. Consistent URL structure. Ensure that your HTTPS URLs mirror the structure of your HTTP URLs to avoid broken links and maintain user experience. Customizing redirect behavior for specific paths or queries. Path-based redirects. Customize redirect rules based on specific URL paths or query parameters to enhance user experience or SEO strategies. Conditional redirects. Implement conditional redirects for different user agents or referrers, tailoring the user experience further. Strengthening your website security with additional measures. Enable HSTS. Enforce HTTPS by enabling HTTP Strict Transport Security, HSTS, which instructs browsers always to connect using HTTPS. Regularly update SSL/TLS certificates. Ensure your SSL/TLS certificates are up to date and properly configured to avoid vulnerabilities. Troubleshooting tips. Resolving common redirect issues. Redirect loops. Check for and resolve any redirect loops that could lead to errors or poor user experience. Certificate issues. Ensure that your SSL certificates are correctly installed and that the certificate chain is complete to prevent security warnings. Load balancer misconfigurations. Double-check your ALB configurations, such as listener rules and target group settings, to ensure they align with best practices. This podcast should help you master setting up HTTP to HTTPS redirection using AWS Application Load Balancer, enhancing your website security and search engine rankings. By following these steps, you can ensure a secure, user-friendly, and SEO-optimized website experience. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.